Remember when cars were romantic? Where has the romance gone? Our beginnings stem from a love story. It's the story of a great romance between Alejandro and his soulmate and business partner, Isabel. Isabel was raised in New Jersey by a mother who loved horses, so of course, Isabel loved horses. Her father was an executive at an American car company her grandfather helped found, and so Isabel loved cars too. When it was time to buy her first car, she was expected to buy an American one from her father's company. She didn't. She snuck out of town and used that money to buy a European sports car. When she was a little older, she was expected to go to college and start a family. Instead, she started racing. America wasn't ready for Isabel, so she went to Europe to race with the men. It was in Europe that she met her match, an Argentine driver named Alejandro de Tomaso. They raced together, they married, and finally, they started a legendary car company